welcome back to the channel. I've just gone through these and done a quick video on these, how deep the roots are. This is about 4 inches deep. The toe over there is about 2 inches. These are full of root mass underneath. This is my back garden. This has not been filmed at all. This is RTF. No, and this is creeping ryegrass with a bit of RTF mixed in. This is what grass I've used at the front. I've digged up, as you can see here, over the last few months. I've got to do a bit of weeding, small weeding. And over here, that was taken out. We're doing the fence because I'm not allowed to film, so that won't be shown because he wants to keep that private. So we're just doing that. So the compost piles are over there. There's grass, dead grass in those two, and then we've got grass in there, and then we've got a couple of low mowers in there. So I'm doing a load of that, and then we've got grass clipping water, which, as my neighbour says, it reeks. We thought the farmer must be laying his manure. I said, nah, it's fish water. It's grass clippings, which is we have in here, which is a bit that's been soaked for about a week, then drained, then filled up again, then drained, then filled up again. Add a bit more grass clippings to it, and that's about 2 days old, I think. And we're getting about, out of each one of them, we're getting at least one of them, which is about 25 litres. So over here we've got, there's 4 over there. Tea bag water. And we've got grass clipping water and tea water. Bit of a mixture, but they're good for the rosies. And we've got some water in there. And then we've got, this is the one we done the other day, and this one, I was meant to do this one again actually, but yeah, that's a bit minging, that one. So what I normally do is get this, and then I'll try and get it out. Yeah, nice knot. I'll be uploading another video this week for next week. To be over at my friend's house. She wants her back garden done, so that'll be stripped, scarified, and top dressed and seeded.